Hey guys, welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. I have on my faux diamonds today, so you know we are going to be talking about diamond painting. I hauled a few Diamond Dotz diamond paintings from various places. I want to show you what I purchased. First things first is this Zodiac Diaries collection diamond painting. This is for the zodiac sign Libra. I am a Gemini. I am not a Libra, but I did not like the Gemini painting. I liked this painting because it's of a beautiful mermaid of color. And it includes only 36 colors and 5,667 dots. And what I love about this is that it looks like it's a partial. So what I want to see is, at first I thought I was going to have to diamond paint that Libra like all one color, but I think what's going to have to happen is I'm just going to cut around the canvas and cut the mermaid out ultimately. This is the artist. I don't always notice this at the top, but the artist is Kelly Horton. And on the Diamond Dotz website, these went on a major sale, especially around Memorial Day, but I had actually ordered this off of Amazon before they all went on sale. And I'm not sure if they're still on clearance on the Diamond Dotz website. The Diamond Dotz website itself has a lot of great deals usually. So it looks like we have, I'll open one kit, but I won't open the other kits because they're usually all the same. Looks like we have the little wax in the container, the tray, the grip. You have a couple of different stylus pickers there, maybe a 4 or 5 picker, a straightener, a stylus, extra baggies. And I'm not going to go through all the drills. What I really want to see, what am I trying to say? What I really want to see is the canvases. But these drills are always top tier from Diamond Dotz, so you don't have to worry about that. And they're very, very affordable kits. These kits on around Memorial Day weekend in May, this video will premiere long after Memorial Day weekend. These kits went on sale. These particular ones went on sale for less than $20. And no telling how much they are now if they're still on the site. Oh yeah, this is a partial, so this is getting cut. I'm going to cut this for sure. I'm definitely going to cut this for sure. So it says that Libras are caring, loyal, fair, true, sweet, stylish. And she's a quite beautiful mermaid. They have other mermaids. They have other depictions too that I like. And I will probably end up ordering more from this particular artist. I really like her images and how she draws her images. So this is a partial. We're not even painting the body. We're just painting the hair and the fish and the circle around her. So I'm just going to cut. I'll probably even cut that circle a little bit. I'm going to just cut squiggly. I'll cut squiggly around it and figure out what I want to do. And then I can back it with something else if I want to frame it. Or just cut it up if I want to use it for journaling. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But I'm excited to do it because it's a partial. And this is your key here for the 36 colors. We have letters and symbols. And the field is clear. This is going to be very easy. This makes me very happy. And then Diamond Dotz always gives you a set of instructions on how to diamond paint in different languages, okay? So if you have never diamond painted before, I recommend you watch some of my other videos on my Diamond Painting Diaries playlist. The link to the playlist will be in the description. It usually is on my videos. Uh-oh. No. The thing peeled back, y'all. Oh, Sookie. That's never happened to me before. Bro, what did I just do, bro? Oh my freaking gosh. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is so bad. Don't ever let this happen to you. I didn't even realize this had happened. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. Ruined. I'll fix it. I'll figure it out because I was planning to cut anyway. So don't ever let that happen to you. Don't ever accidentally roll something into the sticky part without making sure the sticky part is down first. Rookie mistakes. That was horrible. That was a mess. That was atrocious. It's like diamond painting voodoo. Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, I'll package everything back up. That just made me mad. Let's go ahead and unbox these coasters. I've seen a lot of people unbox these coasters, but I want to unbox these coasters. Purchased this from Ollie. It was only from Ollie's. It was only $2.99. Okay, I haven't seen these coasters in person. I want to see them in person. So these are the drills. There's 4 designs. I was trying to see how many colors. Oh, I guess maybe 16. Sorry, maybe 16 colors, judging by this. And then these wretched instructions that got me the last time. I'll figure it out, don't worry. All right, so these are the coasters I was really anxious to get. So the backs of the coasters come separately. You have to peel these off and stick these on after you're finished diamond painting. I love all of them. My favorite might be the pineapple. Maybe the hat and the shades and the umbrella. Love all of these. I don't need any more coaster diamond paintings. I have so many coasters, but I loved this tropical design. What am I trying to say? I'm all thrown off because of what just happened on live, but hey, things happen. So let's go to the next one from Ollie's. This one was only $4.99. This one is called Underwater Paradise. This one is not a partial. This is a full canvas. This is going to be a lot for me. It's only 37 colors, but it's over 15,000 dots. I love being able to get these kits for $5 a pop. If you have an Ollie's, go in there, see if you can find them. We have the same sort of thing with the kit. Sometimes they don't come with the grip. Do they always come with the grip? Actually, I don't know. Maybe it always comes with a grip. I think some kits I don't remember seeing the grip, but you get the same kit. These colors look really pretty. That black looks really pretty. No, that's like a, is that black? Or is that like a sparkly deep blue? I think that's a sparkly deep blue, judging by the picture. It's really pretty. Let's rip this open. The instructions. Okay, I almost can't tell what I'm looking at. The canvas is a little sparkly. Okay, I can see now that I'm up close. The drill field is very clear. And the key. This is going to be really pretty, but this is a lot. Okay, this is a lot. But anytime I see a diamond painting in Ollie's, I make sure, let me make sure not to do that again. I just get it because I think it's just amazing that we're seeing diamond paintings in Ollie's, and I have to have every one that I find. So my stash will never run low, which it's never going to run low because it's going to take me a while to diamond paint all my kits. But the thing about me is I have so many small kits, so it's not going to take me as long as it would take some people to go through their stash because my stash is mainly small kits, right? So let's do the last 2 kits. These 2 are from Walmart. This one's really pretty. This one is called the Exotic Elephant. It's considered intermediate. I never look up at the top. This water one is intermediate too. They even have this one as intermediate, the Libra. I felt like that Libra could probably have been easy. This one only has 28 colors and over 4,000 diamonds. This one's a partial as well. So I'm excited to see this. You can knock these partials out very quickly. Oops. Remove that. It's good to check your kits just to make sure you have everything. Look at these sparkly drills. Wow. I think these were like 10 bucks in Walmart, which is still not a bad price. And there was only one elephant left. So I don't know if you'll be able to find this one. Look how pretty this is. I didn't realize the black. Okay, yes, I did. The back is black. This is going to be so nice. It's going to take less time than it would to do a full canvas, but it's still going to take some time. Because the body's very intricate and we're switching up colors everywhere. We're doing a lot of color switching, but it's still color blocked, so that makes it easier. And then the background is this beautiful glittery pink. You guys see how this pink is sparkling? This would be really pretty framed. But I haven't been framing anything as of yet. These are the instructions again. These dreadful instructions that ruined me. That ruined me. This one has a lot of sparkle. This particular one. If you can find this one in Walmart, get it. Let's just take a peek again. You can see that sparkle through the plastic. That's no joke. That yellow and that purple, that reddish orange color there. This one's going to be gorgeous. It's called the Exotic Elephant. If you are searching for it, this one's really pretty in person. Okay. Last but not least, I got the Colorful Lab. Do I already have this one? Now that I'm thinking of it. Number of colors 19. I don't remember ever unboxing this one. I have a few colorful things. That's why. I have a few things in this pattern, a few canvases in this pattern. So many companies are doing it. I don't really see any sparklies just peeking here. Not like that elephant. That elephant is special if you can find it. It's special to me. I think it's really pretty. No, I don't think I have this one. I just have some other ones with the same color scheme. I love that black background. I am actually afraid of dogs, but I'm more of a dog person than a cat person. If I had a dog, it would be a lab. If I had a dog, I think they are very beautiful creatures. I'm more liable to visit you if you have a dog than if you have just a bunch of cats. If you have dogs and cats, it's just a no. I can't do it. But if you have a dog, I'm more willing to say, yeah, I'll pet him, let him, or her. But if you have a cat, do not come near me with that creature. I had bad experiences with cats growing up. I do have a few cat diamond paintings as far as like tigers and like the big cats, lions. I love the big cats, the lions, the tigers, the cheetahs, whatever. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next haul. You can get these items at Walmart. These two, you can get Diamond Dots at Ollie's now. If you have an Ollie's near you, be on the lookout. And of course, you can always get things from Amazon. And I'm going to work on fixing this. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix this. I think this is actually ruined. Yeah, I think this is ruined. Wow. I cannot believe I did that. I might be able to pull it up. I cannot believe I did that. So I'm going to have to cut her right here. But it's not terrible because, I mean, all of her head's still showing. So it's not the worst that could have happened. Anyway, you can get these from Amazon or just order directly from Diamond Dots. They have super fast shipping. I've ordered directly from them a couple of times. They have super fast shipping. So, and they have great sales. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next haul. Take care of yourselves and happy crafting. Bye.